Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to fix. Lenovo Legion 7. Huh? It's nice. I think this is 10 Gen i7 and NVIDIA graphics. The problem is when customer replaced the screen and the laptop went dead. We have here a brand new screen. Yeah, the customer sent us a screen. This is a common mistake when actually people are replacing the screens without opening the laptop. So you think if the laptop is off, the charger is unplugged, no power there, but that's wrong. It's always power on the screen connector. And it's not like any power. It's a high amperage main power rail, yeah? So there is, if the charger is plugged in, you have 19, 20 volts, because this is a Lenovo. If the charger is not plugged in, you have the voltage battery. So probably around 13, 14 volts with around 3, 4 amps, even more. So pay attention and unplug the battery and the charger when we are replacing the screen. Yeah. Now let's test this one and see what's going on. Okay, so we have my adapter, which probably is not working, but let's try it. Let's test it. So plug in the adapter. And it's taking nothing. Okay. Actually, it's charging fine. 2 amps. Oh, lol. Okay, that's new. And goes off. No, the power spike click and goes off. Pressing the power button. And probably the laptop is coming on, but I can't test with this charger. Wait, this laptop is good actually. Let's unplug the battery and try to figure out what's going on here. Usually when you're replacing the screen without unplugging the charger and the battery, the IO chip is dying on the best case scenario, or the graphic chip is dying on the worst case scenario. But you know what? The EC chip looks fine. So, do we have a dead graphics chip here? Let's unplug the battery. Now let's plug the charger again. It's taking 10 milliamps. Pressing the power button. And the laptop is coming on and goes off. Huh? Why? You think it's taking too much current? Okay, let me plug the original charge. So we have the original charger here. Let's try that one more time. So pressing the power button. And nothing happened. I smell heat. You know what? Let me take the heatsink out. Yeah? Before we are testing. This looks like a dead chipset. Looks like a dead chipset. I mean, it's coming on, goes off quickly, and that came after a screen replacement. This looks like a dead chipset. Look, we have an Intel chipset, yeah, on the same way like Sorin is doing, with a thermal pad on the top. You see, so the manufacturers, they're using thermal pads. Okay, so we have a, yeah, and the chipset has the black glue on the corner. Do you see? Check that. If you try to replace this, it will be a hard job. Okay, so plug in the charger. We have the thermal camera. And the laptop is off. We can't see anything here. Yeah. Let's unplug the charger. Let's get the multimeter, check the coils like usual. So checking the coils. This one is good. This one is 1 ohm. What do you think about 1 ohm coil? This one is 0 ohms. 0 ohm coil, 0 ohms. This one 24, 24, that's fine. This one 0 and 0, so can be those coils to be together and be part of the GPU, and that's normal, yeah? Like you have like nearly 0 ohms, but not this one. Not this one. This one is a small coil, can be the chipset power supply, but we're gonna see. Now the CPU, 37, good, 13, good, 2 ohms, can be good, very low resistance on the CPU. 2 ohms, 5 ohms, can be good. Here is fine, 22 ohms can be fine, and this is fine. Okay, so what is that coil? Why that coil has 0 ohms? That's a good question. That's quite a good one. Let's see. So coming with the power supply, yeah. Let's lower the voltage to be safe. Yeah, 0.8. A little bit of current. And let's see what is taking. 1.6 amps. And what is getting hot? That's the moment you have to cry. The chipset. The chipset is dead. Sadly, is nothing what we can do. Nothing. Just to replace the chipset. Such a waste. Yeah. I'm really sorry, but I cannot help this customer. Not because I cannot replace the chipset, it's because I cannot find a good one. Now, on the other hand, and this is a common mistake, yeah? Wait, that thing has a thermal pad on it. Yeah, it's here. On the other hand, the people, when you hear short circuit, what do you imagine? Yeah, what a short circuit means to you? Means a power is shorted to ground, right? But it's not like that. It's not like that, and I seen this mistake made like on a daily basis. Short circuit doesn't mean a short to ground. Can be a short to ground, yeah, because that's something what you can check. But also can be a short to plus, can be a short between plus and data lines. I mean, you will be surprised, but you can have a surprise replacing the chipset and actually, oh, the CPU is dead because the short is between the plus and the data lines which they are going to the CPU. So it's kind of risky, you know what I mean? It's kind of risky. And just assuming, okay, it's just short to ground. It doesn't really work, you know? I mean, you take a huge risk, yeah, and buying a chipset, just hoping, okay, it's only the chipset. Yeah, because it's not, probably it's not short, between the plus and the data lines. Probably not, because I'm lucky. Yeah. Okay, so I'll stop now. I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always, and pay attention when you are replacing the screens. Replace the screen based on the back of the screen model number, yeah? and always disconnect the battery and the charger. So see you on the next one. Bye.